Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share a haul with you guys. I picked up some bits from a couple of places actually. I'm going to share some bits from Matalan, Amazon, a charity shop. I picked up one thing from that I wanted to share. It's not crafty related, but it was from Mountain Warehouse and the works. I think that was everything. Yeah, so the first I'm going to share what I picked up from Matalan. So I've picked these up a couple of weeks now, and I just haven't got round to sharing them. These are like from their autumn range. Yeah, I picked up these pumpkins. So you got novelty pumpkins. They were both £10. You get 3 in each set, and I just thought they were really cute. I'll quickly share what they look like. So these are the pumpkins. Hold on, I'll just move that to one side. So this is the first little pumpkin. I just love their little faces, and I like the fact that they've got like little dangly arms and legs, and you could like put them on a little shelf or something. I just thought it'd be quite nice to display. So that's that one, and then got this one, really cute. And then the last one is this really cute pink one. So yeah, they're all like different squashes, and I kind of like they've got different faces as well. That one's got its eyes closed. I thought they're really cute. So those were those ones. I'll just put that back in now. And then these are the mushroom ones. So you've got this orange one, which I think is my favourite out of all of them. I just like the shape of this one. Really cute, and again they can sit in a little shelf. This one got like a red and pink tone to it. And then the last one is this one. Again, really cute, and they look cute maybe in my bathroom or around the house. So I'm just going to put those back because I don't want those to get broke. So that was all I picked up, apart from clothes in Matalan, like from their home section. Then from the works, I didn't get much in the works actually. These are the only Halloween bits I picked up. And wanted some kind of gems to go on to like match the papers that I've got. So I found these in the works. They're £1, and you get 2 sheets in there. I thought that's quite good for £1. And I've got some Halloween papers from last year from the range, and these are the kind of colours that it's got in that paper pad. I then saw these. I don't know if these are going to work. I hope they do. But these are like the spider wall crawlers. My little ones had like the Spider-Man ones and that, or Marvel ones that kind of work their way down the wall. I'm hoping that I can use, obviously these little bits on the end of their feet are going to be sticky. But I'm hoping with this I can remove the stickiness on here, and then I can attach them to different projects. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm hoping that I can make embellishments out of it, but I really don't want those to be sticky, I guess. So I'm hoping I can use that to get rid of the stickiness. And they were £2 for 3. And then the last few bits, this is kind of like a fall and it's just like all different leaves I think on there, washi tape. Yeah, and that was £2, and then I got 2 Christmassy ones. I just really like these. These are kind of like all Christmassy kind of stamps. I like the train one, reminds me of the Polar Express. And there's a Santa one that was really cute as well. Yeah, that one. So I thought they were really cool, and you get quite a lot on there as well. And they were £2 as well. So that was the works. Then popped into oh yeah, Mountain Warehouse to look for, I think my husband wanted a new coat from there, but I didn't know that they did Stanleys in there. Whether this is a new thing or they've always done Stanleys, I don't know, but I've just never noticed them in there before. But yes, this one, because normally, well, it says 45, but I think I've seen them in John Lewis for a little bit more than that. But yeah, this one was down to 28, and then I think because we're members you get like a bit off or something. I know my husband got some off his coat as well, so I thought that's quite good for that price. They did have different ones. They had like ones that you can put like food in. They had other ones without the not this sort of shape, like a smaller kind of one with like a lid, like twisty lid instead of the straw. Yeah, so if you're looking for Stanleys, I know that Mountain Warehouse do store them now. So that was all I have to share from now, and then let's go with Amazon next. So the first thing I found on Amazon, was this paper pad. I do like Echo Park. I find that with these sort of paper pads, everything's in there. You don't need to kind of search for any embellishments and everything. It's just all in one kit, which I love. So you can make projects, and yeah, it's all in one set. But they can be quite expensive. They sort of range from like 16 upwards, which I try and find and get when they're on like reduced. This one on Amazon was £10, so I thought that was really good. It's summer themed, but obviously I'll just put it away for next year. It's Pool Party Collection Kit. I don't have this one. Yeah, I've never had this one before, and I just really liked it. I thought the papers were lovely for summer. They're all the different ones, and like I said, you get all the different like sticker sheets, cut parts, journaling cards and things. That's a sticker sheet, really cute, and like I said, awesome for £10. The only thing is, I will say, is with Amazon, if you pretty much don't get it when you see it, the prices can change from one day to the next, so you've got to kind of yeah, it's a bit like TK Maxx or HomeSense. You kind of got to get it when you see it, because the prices on there can really change. Then picked up some dies. I've got this one. These ones are X-cut, and then another one I'm going to share with you isn't. So again, these were on like really good deals as well. I think these were like £1 something, these dies. So I've got this one. It's like bird cage, a tag. It's got a heart. I thought it was quite nice for Valentine's Day, or like if you're doing like a wedding invitation, that'd be awesome. Yeah, I just thought it's really pretty. I mean, you don't have to use the bird cages. You can cut those off and then just have the design, and it'd be sort of like because it's got hearts, like more Valentine's. Again, you don't have to use the birds if you don't want to use the birds. You got tag there, heart. I just thought it was really good. You get 7 dies in now, So yeah, I thought that was quite nice for that. And then the next one is this swan. I don't actually have any swan dies, and I really like this one. That's the actual size of it. It's really pretty design on there, and again I thought it'd be quite nice on cards. And they all come with, I think, magnet sheets in here as well. So that's that one. And then the last one is this one. Again, kind of gone on the bird theme with this haul of dies. I just like this kind of wreath. I thought could chop these birds off if I didn't want to use the birds, or even cover them. I was thinking like this wreath as a backing for maybe a Christmassy kind of card, and then you could put centerpiece like and cover the birds, or you could use that as and make it more Christmassy. So I like that, and that's the actual size as well, which is a really nice size. So that's those ones. The next thing is a die set. I picked up was this one. I can't remember what this one is called. Plain folder, it says. Yeah, I don't know what it was called, but I just like the fact that it was like a little pocket, and it came with quite a few different pieces. I thought I could use this either to send out some sort of happy mail, or to add to an album. So you've got this pocket that kind of folds. You've got layering pieces here. You've got some tags here in the center, and then you've got these kind of like hole reinforcers. You've got like a heart, circle, and like a flower. I guess could go on the top there. So that's one part of it. Then you've got this piece, which is like a photo strip, paper clip, I think, and then this would, I guess, layer on the top there. That's that one. And then the last one is some pockets. So you've got a corner pocket there. You've got this tall pocket, and then this pocket, and again all layering pieces. You've got some stars and some arrows. Again, something different. I don't have anything like this, and I thought it'd be quite nice if you do like little flat mail. I reckon I could make some of this a little gift. Maybe you could put a gift card in there. I'm wondering if I could fit a gift card there. I reckon I could. I think that's the same sort of size as a gift card. So you can stick that in a handmade card and give it out as, yeah, a little gift. So that one. And then the last thing from Amazon was I need new ink. I have had what one have I had? Is it Stays On brand? I think it might be Stays On. Yeah, Memento ink. But yeah, this is, I just love this one. This is my old one, and it is running really low, so I just wanted to get another one. I just prefer this black ink for when I'm stamping out images and stuff. I just like the way it stamps, so I got another one of those. And then the last few bits, so this one is a shoe. This is this Tattered Laces brand? I think it is. This was $1.50. You got this little shoe with the bow. I thought it was really pretty. Yeah, I thought that would be quite nice on like a card. Well, like, you know, like a simple kind of card. Yeah, if I put the card together, I'll come back and share it with you. I've kind of got an idea of what I can use this for. So yeah, that was $1.50. It's a lovely size as well. Got that one. This one is a Spellbinders die. I think it makes that envelope. I want to say yes, frame pocket actually it says. You get 4 dies in there. So let's have a look. So this is the pocket piece. That's layering on there. Yep, so that's like the bottom of the pocket, and I presume this is like the top piece. Yeah, I'll have to put that together. I'll share that with you guys. So that was that die. That was $2.50. And then she got some stamps. So this one was £1. It's a cute. These are popcorn bear. So this is like Valentine's. It's got some sentiments. Oh, it's an engagement. Congratulations on your engagement. But you could use it for Valentine's. And happy anniversary. So they're really cute. They're like rubber stamps. So that was £1. This is another popcorn and bear. Again, £1. This is bath time. So you get this cute little image of the bear in the tub, little duck, some bubbles, and then some sentiments. Says bath time, wash your worries away. Yeah, really cute. So it's that one, and then this is this came random. I'm not quite sure what that is. My daughter said it might be a hair clip stamp. But yeah, if anyone knows, I have no idea. But it was kind of just stuck to there, so I'm not quite sure what that is, that one. And it doesn't go to any of the sets either. So yeah. But this one, this is Christmas one. I love the little duck. And the teddy bear, I think you can get the bow as well. It says winter wishes and Christmas kisses. I thought that was really cute. And this one was £1 as well. The next one was this one, Sheena Douglas brand. Again, this was £1, and it's to make these bluebells, like flower. Really pretty. And then the last set, so it had this one in the back. This is $1.25. So it came with this stamps in the back. Sending hugs, thank you, so sorry, and then for you. So obviously you can make those kind of flowers. And then this is a balloon set. I thought this was lovely. I love the size of these. It says hi, happy birthday, celebrate, happy day, and congrats. I thought that was really cool set as well. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you in this video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Yeah, like I said, definitely check out your charity shop. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.